Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to talk about how to invest $100 in stock. The first step is to look for a value company that you want to invest in. In this video, I am looking at the energy company with a symbol PBF. In the trading market, this company it had been doing very well, but since the pandemic COVID hit, the price of the share is dropping. The current price of this energy company is at $8.30 per share, with the volume trading above 4 million shares. Its 52-week ranges from low is at $5 and high at $34. I'm also looking at the 5-year mark performance. As you can see here, 1 week at a loss 10%, 1 year loss at 64%, and a 5-year loss at 70%. I am actually looking at a long-term investment. So this loss is actually going to be recouping. It's not a speculating to actually investing into something, but with $100, you can buy something very valuable. And you can see right here, 1 year is 64% at loss. And the analyst rating is to hold them. They're using the market grader focus on the importance of investing passively with a long-term view. So they focus on the quality of the company, the fundamental of the company, and they using the company financial health and measure its economic success regardless of the business model, industry, sector, or size. So the analyst or market grader looking at it. The analyst's opinion identify the company potential growth at B level and value at A level with a cash flow at the B level. The profitability is at D during this COVID pandemic because less people using car or fly, so less gasoline use. And you can see right here, we have a overweight at 1 and underweight at 0. Underweight meaning that the company stock price will not perform as well as the benchmark index being used for comparison. The underweight stock rating means it will generate a below average return compared to the benchmark. On the other hand, the overweight stock means the stock will perform well in the future and believe it will worth buying. This stock is great at overweight. I also look at some major holder of this stock. But before we do that, we actually need to look at the year over year growth estimate. As you can see, it's continued to be at loss, 900% and 85% next year. So let's look at the major holder of this stock. I'm going to go to the different website. I'm using Yahoo to compare to for the major holder because Vanguard sometimes does not have this section for us. So you can see right here, major holder, we have the share held by all insiders, 19%, 82% by the institutional, and they are BlackRock at 12 million share, Vanguard 9 million share, State Street Corporation 7 million share, Invesco Limited it's 3 million share, Bank of New York it's 2 million share. Now we could go on to look at the top mutual fund holder. We have 3%, 2% by Vanguard. And this is important because we need to look at how other institution holding it. Because we're not an expert. I am looking at this, so I want to make sure that they have been held by the big large company, big large institution. That is give us a reference that the stock itself actually valuable. After reviewing the data of the company, now it's time to buy them by placing an order. You can use any financial company to do purchase. For me, I use Vanguard brokerage account. So to do that, I have to go to my brokerage account, log into Vanguard. I am going to actually show you the section to buy itself. So I use my account as a doing any trading. So in here, in my brokerage account, I have only $1,700 in my federal money market. I park my money there so I can use them. I select buy and enter the symbol BPF, and then I click quote, and this item will come up. The price of the quote will appear on the right side. Right now, the market is closed. I am normally doing it after work by placing a limit order. This price is current based on the market price. No additional charge added. Last trade was at 4 p.m. on September 4th, 2020. The price of the energy company was $8.30. I placed limit order, and I purchased 12 share. This 12 share, I put the limit price is at $8. There are so many people bidding for $8.30, or and then the asking price that they will willing to sell their share is $8.55. So it depends. So you can see also the volume of trading, $4 million. So if I am purchasing 12 share at $8, it will cost me $96. So it's less than $100 to purchase this share, and you can actually get 12 share. The reason I am putting a limit order, because limit orders, it's you can actually setting a parameter, ensure that you get a price for the stock in a range you set, the maximum you're willing to pay or the minimum you're willing to accept. And also it offer you the price protection. You can specify how long you want the order to remain in effect, either from one business day or 60 calendar day. Uh, GTC is stand for good till cancel. So when after 60 days, you for some reason the price of this stock continue to go up, then you will not be able to purchase it. The company will send you an email, which is the brokerage account of this company will send you an email and letting you know that this order had been canceled. Now you want to go back and then to purchase it, you just have to renew your order or purchasing it. So if the price continue to go up and now you cannot purchase at $8, you probably have to reevaluate how much you want to pay for this share of stock. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and leave a comment and click a like button.